What's the meaning of consciousness? Consciousness. Consciousness.
Consciousness. Consciousness. Consciousness refers to the state of awareness and being awake, as well as the ability to perceive, process, and comprehend information from one's surroundings. It is a complex and multifaceted concept that encompasses various aspects such as subjective experiences, emotions, thoughts, and self-awareness. The study of consciousness is a fundamental topic in philosophy, psychology, neuroscience, and other fields. Understanding consciousness is crucial for understanding human behavior, cognition, and perception, and it also has broader implications for the development of artificial intelligence and the nature of reality itself.